Hey guys, today I am showing you how to put together my new layered Halloween banner. Look how fun this is. It's really 3 basic parts and I think you're gonna enjoy making it and hanging it up for the holiday. Hey guys, so I love a great Halloween banner. So you guys, I hope you enjoy making this with me. I have a new house this year, so I'm gonna hang it on my mantle. And I'm really excited about it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the bones of this. There are really only 3 pieces. You've got a letter, you've got a background banner, and you've got 2 of these accordion pieces, okay? And then you've got a little bit of accessories to go with it. So I'm gonna show you how this whole thing looks when it's done. But all you're gonna do is use those score lines to fold up this accordion. I'm going to do that with both of these. Okay, so now what's the best way to glue an accordion? I will show you the way I do it. It hurts a little bit, but I think it works really well. So I like to take my hot glue gun and I glue right down the center of this, and then I close it tight like this, and then I use my finger while it's hot and I just dab all the way around it, and then I'm gonna sit and hold that so that it's glued in for a while, because otherwise it will fall apart. And I'm going to multitask. You guys watch this magic trick. I'm gonna hold that one while getting this one into place, because you do have to hold it long enough that it's annoying if you can't do a couple at the same time. So I just glued at the top, and now I'm going to use my fingers to glue that down, and then I'm going to hold it in place. Okay, so do hold it for a second because it will work much better. And when it feels like nice and hard, that's when you're going to let go of them. Okay, I think they're sufficiently cooled. And so now you can see you've got this accordion on this side and accordion on this side. So what I like to do is I first glue these 2 pieces together, and then I'm gonna hold it also for a very long time, just to make sure it is really, really stuck, because then when you pull it out, it is very annoying if it isn't stuck together nicely. And by the way, Silhouette VIPs, I believe you got your free SVG today. I hope you're enjoying that. If you want to be part of my free VIP SVG group, which is my Silhouette VIP group, you just go to karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP and you can join, and I send a freebie out every week. Okay, so I've got it glued down. So now this is going to pull on it, and you're going to pull hard enough and glue into place. Once again, you're going to want to hold this for a little while to make sure that it really holds. Now, if you start getting this to fall in the way mine is, it's no big deal because we're gonna glue it flat to the banner. So don't worry about that. Just kind of hold it in the middle like this until this glue is dried all the way, okay? All right, once it is glue dried, you're just going to glue it to the middle of your banner. Now, I find the most successful thing is just to place my glue in a big fat circle like that and just glue it down now like this. And that's gonna help with that, you know how it was trying to fold in or out? That's gonna help with that. So you can see I'm just kind of pushing it down, and it should hold pretty nicely there, okay? All right. Here's our letter. Now every letter is a little different, so you're gonna have to glue it in a little bit different, but just try to center it to the best you can. I like to hide that middle piece if I can, and so that cleans it up nicely. Okay, let me just show you the other letters here. Let's see if I can fit them all here. I'm not sure if I can or not, but I wanna show you I have all of these accessories like this. Now, the key to the accessories is kind of not centering them. In fact, you don't really want them centered at all, right? You just want it to look really, really good all the way across. So It's a little bit hard to do the way I'm doing it here because you guys can only see the top and the bottom. So I'm going to think about it in terms of like putting something at the front, maybe something in the middle, and then something on the end. So I've got a couple of these little ghost guys right here. And before you glue them down, you can just lay them to see how they're gonna look on these pieces. And it's meant to be really fun and fun with your colors. And things like your bats, if you want to, you can finger press them out like this to make them super cute. Let's see. Like, I don't want it like symmetrical. I don't want it to be like every other one. I'm not sure that you see that bat at the end as well. I'm wondering if I should put these little candy corns at the end here. And you can put all three on the same one if you wanted to, like that, or do something different if you want. Okay, so I have a bat here. I'm gonna put a bat maybe right there. Okay, so if you wanted to put ones on every single one, you could, but don't feel like you have to. So basically lay the whole thing out better than I've got mine here and glue it all into place, and then you can run a string. If you want to see what this looks like on my mantle at my house or wherever I decide to hang it, I have a couple of ideas where I can go. You can check it out on my Instagram feed at Karina Gardner Paper Crafts. But that's it, you guys. The other thing you can do is you can pop dot those on if that makes you feel more comfortable, because then you can move it around if you want. But that's it. Isn't that so cute? Especially if you can get the colors right. I've color coordinated it in the SVG file itself so that you can copy mine if you want. All right, guys, I hope you join me. Make sure and subscribe to the channel or to my IGTV channel at Karina Gardner Paper Crafts, or youtube.com/Karina Gardner if you want to see all my videos. And I have a silhouette video goes up every single week. So, all right, we'll see you guys. Bye.